me again, and I'm going to show you how to make something again. But today we're not going to do origami, we're going to draw something, because this is an arts and crafts channel, not only an origami channel. And so today I'm going to show you how to draw a dog. I think it's really cute because of its like big eyes, and it's like a cartoon dog. And you can see there's a bone because it's thinking of a bone because it wants to eat it. And you can make a color and name it something. I named mine Susie. And I just think it's really cute. So I'm going to start now. Okay, so you just need a sheet of paper and a pencil. And so the first step is drawing an oval. I'm going to make a big one since I want to make a big dog. Then you draw a circle in the middle of it and do a semicircle here, and then color the rest of it. And you make two big half ovals like that, and then you do a semicircle again, and then a semicircle here, a bigger one, and then you repeat that here, and then you color the rest again. Okay, so when you've done that, next to it you make like this big shape here that looks like kind of like a heart without a pointy end. And then you come from here where the cheek is and you make a big bow. So that's the head. And then the only thing that's missing is the ears. Now, go from the cheek, not quite by the cheek, a bit like to the right. You go down, do this, make a bow like that, come up a bit, and then you go to the side again. And you do that here, and then go up again. So now you make 3 lines in those things, and then you do the same thing as you did by the ears and stop a bit before this here ends, as you can see here. And then you make 3 lines again. As you see, we've got a cute dog now. Now I'm going to make a collar. I always turn it around a bit because, in my opinion, it's easier to draw it like that. Then you turn it around again, make 2 lines here, then make a circle, and then you write a name in there. I'm gonna write Lisa. And now we've got a dog. I'm gonna make a cloud, like a thinking cloud, so it thinks of a bone. Small circle, bigger circle, and then fluffy cloud. So this is how you draw a bone. You make a heart shape, just don't quite finish it off. Then you make 2 lines. Then you make a heart shape again. And now you've got a bone. And this is how you make a dog. Feel free to color it in, but I'm gonna leave it like this. And I'm gonna make loads of dogs now. And it doesn't matter if they're not perfect, because mine aren't perfect either. See you! I hope you liked this video. If you want more videos, please like the video and subscribe to my channel. Bye!